Hi there, you're in the lab with mate JJ. Today is mail call. Just a quick mail call today. Silly job title for today is Bulk Boy. Today I'm the Bulk Boy. And there's miscellaneous stuff here. Might take actually a little while to get through it all. There's something from Farnell, or Element 14 as it's known in Australia. There's some stuff from Amazon. There's some stuff from AliExpress. Just bits and pieces. So I've got to process that. So let's do that together. We'll jump over to the bench and have a look at what's arrived in the mail. Here on the bench. And the first thing out of the box this morning is this from Farnell. Come all the way from the UK. Have a look and see what it is. I think it was microcontrollers. I forget. We'll know soon enough. Might just do this in fast forward. Yeah, so this is just a bunch of microcontrollers. Let's get in here. It's a lot of ado about nothing, isn't it? Anyway, what are these? Atmel, 18 mega, 320p by the looks of it. Not sure exactly. Anyway, there we go. I've got a bunch of microcontrollers. Lucky me. I'll be back in a sec. All right. Up next is bag. Looks to be from China. Let's see. Oh, the old bag within bag. All right, what have we got? This is actually a bit water damaged. Sorry. Resistors. Very good. Well, I got some quarter watt resistors here, and these are full 1 watt resistors. Very good. I'll file these later on. We don't need to do that. I'll do it now. I'll just do it off camera. All right, so that was just me putting these resistors that I got today away. Up the back here, a whole bunch of quarter watt 10 mega ohms, and then I've got 5.1K, 22K, and 51K full 1 watt. These are for learning the art of electronics experiments. So I'll put these away and we'll keep on. Up next is something from Amazon. I think I know what this is, but we'll know soon enough. How to get in here. Let's just try it. Yep, this is what I thought it was. So the reason for these is that I'm making a circuit with some metal contacts that you touch. It's a touch sensor, I guess you'd say. and I need like a touch pad, and these are yeah, oh, it must be taped. Yeah, it is. I see. All right, let's take the tape off. There's one bit of tape, and there's another bit of tape. Now let's see if we can get it open. Yep, there it is. So this is a lifetime supply of tacks. I only need like 2 of them, but you can't buy them 2 each, and hopefully that this will prove to be conductive. Give me 1 second, I'll get a multimeter, we'll test it. Alright, well here's a multimeter, and we'll just put him in continuity mode. Turning off, turning on, and we want him in, there we go, continuity mode. We're going to need a probe. Let's take a red probe. So we'll just put the probe in there. Now, what we want to do is put the alligator clip on the bottom and then the probe on the top. Excellent. And we might even just get a resistance reading there. There we go. All right, and the resistance is 0.1 of an ohm, hardly any resistance at all. Exactly what we wanted to see. Good for us. So I'll put these away, and they'll be ready when we need them. Up next, something else looks like from China. Well, whatever it is, they're saying it's green. Let's have a look. Oh, I see. It's a vacuum. Great. So I don't know if it comes with a card. Yeah, it does. All right, cool. Well, what can I tell you about this? Basically, it's a vacuum cleaner, and I got it for here in the lab. It's got a little brushy thing on the top of it. Should go on there like that, and it's just cleaning up messes. That's great. So we've got a simple instructions here. Oop. This is the portable vacuum cleaner user manuals. Rated voltage 3.7 volts, charging voltage 5 volts, net weight 220 grams. Cool. How to use: ensure the switch is turned off before charging. The indicator light is red when charging and blue when working. Replace different nozzles according to different situations. It will do better when used if nozzle is flat against the surface of an object. Absorption force will be weakened if the filter element absorbs a lot of dust. Suggest to sweep in time. The filter element can be cleaned and dried for repeated use. It is forbidden to inhale combustibles such as burning cigarette butts. Oh yeah. The product is equipped with USB charging cable. Notes: do not remove, repair, or modify the product unless you are authorized maintenance personnel. Please do not cover the air inlet or outlet when it's working, otherwise the product may deform or catch fire by overheating. It is strictly forbidden to use while charging. Portable vacuum cleaner should not be used for a long time, or collecting efficiency will play down. That was lost in translation, wasn't it? All right. So we've got one spare filter. Very good. We've got a charging cable, which is type A. USB micro. That's what that is. And that's type A. Very good. And I haven't figured out where I'm going to keep this thing yet. But that's a good problem to have. I'll figure that out later on. And I'll file that. Actually, I might go do that now. I'll be right back. All right, on we go. So up next, I'm not sure what we're dealing with. So it's not very heavy, whatever it is. It's going to this looks like it's not for me. Someone else in the household, I think. Let's get rid of this. Right, I'm back. And up next is this. It's I know what this is. It's fairly well packaged. Not easy to get open though. How are we going to get in there? There we go. Look at that. So that's 16-piece wrench set. Not sure why this one's in plastic and the rest of them aren't. It's a bit odd. Yeah, strange. The that one there, the 12, it's a different size, and these have got ratchet in them as well. Don't know if you can change which way. I suppose you just turn it around. Yeah, right. Cool. So I'm going to go put this away. I'll be back. All right. This is a bag full of filters for my new vacuum cleaner, and they look the right size to me. Just pop him off. Let's have a look. Should be able to switch these, and they should be identical, and they are indeed, and they look identical. So laughing, great. All right. Well, I'll put these away and be back. All right. Well, I've got this enormous bag of stuff, which I've kind of popped out. So we should just get through this pretty quickly. What do we got here? Oh yeah, I got an extra 3 pair. This is just for holding wires. I got one up the back here. I thought I'd get an extra one, and they had a 3 for 1, so couldn't help myself. All right. We'll chop out the bits at the end, I think, for scrapbooking. What's this? Yes. So little spudger tools. Has this got tape on it? Not sure. No. All right. And they've got protection over the pointy bits. Very good. Okay, so these are just little instruments, I guess you'd call them, for scratching and cutting and digging. I don't know if they were dental or not. They may have been. 8-piece blackhead remover kit. Oh, there we go. So it's for picking blackheads out of your face. But I got them because they look like good little metal spudgers. Not sure exactly how I'm going to file these. I think I'll keep them in their container actually. And I'll just leave them in here, and if they're called upon, they'll be available. Oh, they're not going to fit in there. Oh, there we go. All right, and up next, battery tester. Okay, surprised they bought a battery tester. It's for a car battery by the looks of it. Yeah, all right. These are pretty flimsy. Oh yeah. So this is the BT171. All right, 12-volt battery tester. So this is for a car battery. Oh well, I'll keep it in the car. Great. This is just more of the wire that I've been getting. This is for my learning the art of electronics projects. I use it on the PCBs because it's easy to work with, and that's what this is as well. Just more of the same. So I've got heaps of that, which is good. The hook that it hangs on up there is full, so I'll have to figure out where I'm going to keep it. What have we got here? Just a bunch of capacitors. Okay, well, I'll file those later on. No problem. Okay, this is a soldering kit. Welding practice, yeah, right. So it's just to practice your surface mount soldering. An interesting idea, isn't it? I'll just put this in the bag with it. And I'll pop it into my bag of kits and I'll be back. All right, on we go. Something else that's small. All the components, some description, I suspect. Oh, it looks like another one of those SMD practice welding sets. All right, I'll just fast forward this bit. All right, so that's the welding kit in a bag. Put that away. Yes, very good. So this is some more boards. Let me just go and get the ones that with the drawers that I keep this in. All right, you can see my drawers here. This is where I keep these things. I'm running out of space actually. Hopefully there's not too many pieces. This is SOP 14, which is here. I'll just do this quickly. All right, so those are all ready to put away. I'll go do that now. All right, up next we have your sandpaper. I'll get the sandpaper box, hang on. Here's where I keep my sandpaper, so I've got 2 extra ones. Fit in the back there just nicely. Very good. All right, well, I'll put that away. All right, what have we got in here? Oh, wow. So, hand crimping tools. It's a ratchet crimping tool. 0.25 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter. Gauge 23 to 16. Okay, cool. Start popping out of this box. Ripper. All right. We'll keep him in the tools box. Don't need this. Might recycle. All right, what have we got here? It's like a little OLED display. Battery level indicator. All right. Fascinating. Wonder what happens. How many volts can it? Huh. I'll have a look at this some other day. What's in here? It's a radio. Wow. All right. Well, I'll put that in the kit, and I'm thinking about this. I'm not sure where I'll keep it. I'll be back in a sec. All right. Now this is some just metal spatulas or spudges, I guess you'd call them. They're all the same. So I'll put one in each drawer. I'm not sure what to expect in here. This is sure. One set SG90 MG90s 9 grams steering gear pound tilt 2 axis ultrasonic aerial model camera mount camera support. Okay. So it looks like you can it's a multi-dimensional like positioner thing. Interesting. I'm going to cut out the label, and I'm going to give this guy his own project box. It looks mechanical. I try to steer clear of mechanical robotics and such because it's such a rabbit hole. I don't have all the equipment. I don't have the space for the equipment. Give me a sec. I'll get a container for this. So I'll just put this in here, and I'll circle back to it one day hopefully and have a bit of play. For now it can just sit on the side here. Now there's only 3 more packages to go. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, that's capacitors. Very good. I'll just put that there. We'll do all the scrapbooking at the end. Yes, so here's another one of these. So I'll take that out. I'll just fast forward this bit. All right, so this is just 2 lots of capacitors. I'll sort that out later on. Now there's just this big honking thing to go, and then we're done. All right, well, it's a tool holder thing. It's got a little drawer in the front of it. Hold things on the top, hold things on the side, and you can put stuff that comes on reels. put that in the back. I don't know if I've really got the bench space for this thing though. I'm not sure. Not sure. How will it go holding a screwdriver? Yeah, not very well. Not very well at all. All right. Well, that's everything. So I'll just do the scrapbooking with you quickly. And that's a wrap. So it's customary for me to tell you at the end of a video like this what was the best thing I got and what was the worst thing I got. So I think that this handheld vacuum cleaner, I'm really happy to have that. And I'm also happy to have found the right size filters for it. I already have one of these, but I couldn't get fresh filters because I didn't know the specs, but I eventually figured it out thanks to this one. So I'm pretty happy about that. I did actually buy a number of things today that I just dead set shouldn't have bought. One of them was that 12-volt car meter. That was silly. I don't need that. And these wire holders, it's good to have one, maybe two, but I certainly don't need four wire holders. So that wasn't particularly savvy spending. I got a whole lot of just yum cha bits and pieces. I got some capacitors here, which I'll sort out in just a minute. I'm pretty happy to have this set of 10 18 mega microcontrollers, so I'll file those away soon. Always good to have those on hand. But yeah, nothing really super exciting today. I am happy actually to have these Tacks. I'm going to use them for a human capacitance sort of meter thing that I'm working on. So these are the right thing for the job, I think. Depends how the solder takes to them. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.